Hey guys, it's Nick from F450LEDs.com. Today we've got our 2023 Ford Super Duty here in the shop. We'll be showing you how to swap out those dim, dingy side marker lights with a much brighter, deep amber LED bulb. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it, and we don't want you to miss out on any of the great content for your Ford truck. All right, let's get back to the video. The first thing we need to do is remove this top valence cover. So we're going to be utilizing the tools from the F450 LEDs Easy Installation Toolkit. If you don't have these tools, a flathead screwdriver can get the job done as well. But we're going to remove these 14 push-pop tabs. And how I like to do it is I like to use this pry tool to get up under the edge, like so. And then take this metal tool and slide up under the tab and then just pry it up. And that will release the clip, just like so. Now we'll repeat this for all 14, and this cover here will pop off the truck. With our top valence removed, next we're going to need to remove these 4 10mm bolts located here at the top of the grill. You use a size 10mm wrench or socket to remove them. Next, we're going to remove these 2 push-in tabs here on top of your grill. There are 2 other 10mm bolts that we need to remove that are hidden behind these plastic covers here in the grill. So we're going to use our F450 LEDs pry tool to remove those covers. You just insert it and it just pops out, just like so. You see the hook tab, so that would go in first, and this is what we're prying out. And that exposes our 10mm bolt here deep within this recess. With our cover removed, we can use a deep well socket to reach the 10mm bolt located in this recessed opening. You may find that the bolt, once you loosen it, falls, so we're just going to use some needle nose pliers to reach in and grab it. Now we're going to pull the grill directly off of the truck. It's held on by some compression tabs, and we're going to start here at the top, just like so. And then there's 4 more compression tabs located at the bottom of the grill. So what we're going to do is grab here near each of those zones and pull directly away. It is a little intimidating because it sounds like things are breaking, but it's just the compression tabs releasing the grill from the truck. Now we'll be able to set it safely aside. Now we can remove the 2 10mm bolts located here at the top of your headlight assembly. One near this tab and one here on top of the assembly. There's one last remaining bolt, and that's located here behind the bumper. We're going to use a size 13 wrench to remove it. Okay, now we're ready to remove the headlight assembly from the truck itself. So there's a pull tab here at the top that you'll want to pull up just like so, and you'll feel the headlight assembly give way, and then we will kind of pull at an angle away from the truck's frame. You kind of have to feel this out. You kind of tilt the top back and the front forward. Oh, it's a tight fit. And now our assembly is free from the truck. We can use a counterclockwise turn to remove our side marker socket. Then we can remove our front blinker socket using a push and pull, we can disconnect the headlight assembly harness connector. Now that we've got our side marker socket here removed from the headlight assembly, we'll be able to pull directly away on this side marker light. Set that aside, and we'll put our Mark II side marker LED bulb here back in place, just like so. And now we can reinstall this side marker socket back into our headlight assembly. So that's all there is to upgrading your side marker light with a Mark II LED bulb from F450LEDs.com. You can find it, as well as all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford Super Duty at F450LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.